The purpose of this video is to show you how to replace a mirror on a Dodge Ram truck. I just noticed that the piece, because the piece is busted here. So this goes on here. So this goes on this way, and this piece here, little piece right there that's busted off. There we go. Okay, so it goes upward. Let's see. So I will try some Gorilla Glue on that piece. So this is the wiring for the heater. This is a Gorilla Glue. I'm expecting that this will hold. So this is a zip kicker. Stuff I used to use when I worked at a hobby shop. Okay, so I got the glue that I put there. I'm going to apply the accelerant right now. And you can see it's starting to pop and everything. There we go. Now that is cured. That is going nowhere. What I did was I applied a cyanoacrylate glue. I used the Gorilla Glue version. I hit it with some zip kicker to immediately solidify it. Now I have to connect up the heater here. So I got this replacement mirror right on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. Alright, so now there's tabs here that I need to get this mirror to slide onto. Tell if I did it or not. Nope, it's not on. Okay, which sucks. So I have to pull it. There we go. Now it just snapped on. Okay, I think it's on there securely. Okay, I think we're good. So getting it off was a bit of a challenge. What I had to do was grab it from the bottom, rotate it outward this way, grab it from the bottom, push upward, and that released it. The thing I didn't like was that the mirror had that one crack in it on the plastic part in the back. I resolved it with some glue. I guarantee that holds. So we'll see. Alright, thank you for watching. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't, and most importantly hit that subscribe button, and check out my videos where I do improvements on the house, like the music studio. I put a crown molding all around the room with lighting in it. That's on my signature videos on my playlist when you go back to my channel. Thanks for watching, everyone.